The Sound of Arisaig Lochaber, Scotland, separates the Arisaig Peninsula to the north from the Moidart Peninsula to the south. At the eastern, landward end, the Sound is divided by Ardnish into two sea lochs. Loch Uamh lies to the north of Ardnish, Loch Ailort to the south. There are a number of small islands in the Sound, of which Eilean and Gobhar and Samalaman Island, both near to Glenuig on the south shore, are the largest. The A830 road, called the Road to the Isles, runs along the east end of Loch Ailort, and then crosses Ardnish before turning westwards along the north shore of Loch Uamh and the Sound proper. The West Highland Line follows the same route. The A861 road follows the south shore of Loch Ailort and the Sound proper as far west as Glenuig, the Prince's Cairn, marking the spot where Bonnie Prince Charlie finally left Scotland after the unsuccessful Jacobite Rising of 1745. On the 20th of September 1746, overlooks Loch Uamh. The Sound is a marine special area of conservation.